Because in an Indian household, nobody reads expiry dates. Nobody does, because ultimately mom is going to smell it only and tell you कि खाना ठीक है कि नहीं. Just one time I went to my mom, I'm like, Mom, is this dahi fine? She's like, 1:30 बजे तक चलेगा ये क्या? But as you can see from my crumpled t-shirt that I'm a bachelor. I don't possess an iron. Yeah, every wrinkle on my t-shirt represents a landlord that has told me, नहीं bachelor नहीं, इधर bachelor allowed नहीं है. Recently became a bachelor, decided to tell my parents, fuck you, I'm moving out, I'm becoming independent. Worst decision of my life. Dude, it's too tough to be a bachelor. Any bachelors in the audience today? Don't identify yourself. I've realized, dude, living as a bachelor is too difficult because we live very weirdly, okay? Compared to families, how they live, families live in abundance. They live in luxury. They have everything. 4-seater sofa, chandelier, microwave, grinder, kitchen, everything they have. Bachelors live like they're going to get kicked out the next day. They have nothing. They'll have one mattress, one pillow, no bed sheet. Why didn't you buy bed sheet? No, my landlord will kick me out. No, I will buy in the next house. Why invest now? I can put everything in my pillow cover and leave. It's weird logic. Dude, they have the least amount of items. If you ever go to a bachelor's house, it always looks like it got robbed by somebody. You enter the house, you're like, fuck, चोरी हो गई इधर. They're like, नहीं, इतना ही है मेरे पास. मैं खुश हूँ अपने संसार में. Welcome to my heavenly abode. Like if you're a bachelor, no thief is robbing your house. Because the return on investment is not great only. 5 minutes they will spend breaking the lock, they will enter and like, fuck, did we already go to this house? I think we've robbed them before. Bachelors, man, wild people, their priorities are not in place. They'll have the random set of things. They won't have chair, no table, but they will have 46-inch LED, LCD, liquid display, plasma screen, 4K. Where will I sit? नहीं खड़े होके देखते हैं. It's like पैर दर्द कर रहा है. Yeah, but 4K, man. Understand. That's the thing, right? Like bachelors don't have character, you know. It doesn't have any character. Like when women move into a flat, they make a house into a home. When bachelors move into a flat, they make a house into a room. It becomes smaller somehow. Nothing matches anything. Okay? Nothing does. They'll buy a sofa. Sofa is purple, curtain is not there. It's not, you can't sleep at a bachelor's house after 8 o'clock in the morning. Wild people, bro. They're wild people. Whenever you set up a house, right, you'll buy cutlery, right? You'll buy it in pair. You'll buy spoon, fork, plate, cup, everything together. One plate. That's a combination of 4, right? Bachelors don't think only like that. They will buy 2 spoons, 2 fork, 1 glass. 2 लोग साथ में पानी नहीं पी सकते अब. One person is drinking water, बोले धो ले please. Actually maid नहीं आई थी, कढ़ाई भी धो देगा क्या? Thank you very much. It's too tough being a bachelor, man. If you're planning to become one, don't. You'll have to start taking all your decisions on your own. I have to decide what food I want to eat every day. It takes me minimum 4 business days to decide. This is my conversation every day with my flatmates. He comes and asks me, hey bro, क्या खाना है? नहीं तुझे क्या खाना है? नहीं तुझे क्या खाना है? तुझे क्या खाना है? कुछ नहीं खाना, ठीक है, नहीं खाते. And we rely on Swiggy, okay, to take this call. And that's the worst thing to do because there's so many options, it confuses you and wastes time. The other day I was ordering food. By the time we placed the order, the restaurant shut down. Not for the day. In general, the restaurant shut down. So we decided, I realized, you know, why we have this paralysis in decision making is because bachpan mein we had a mom. She would take this decision for us. My mom would ask me pointed questions, okay? She would come up to me and she'll be like, Advit, what do you want to have? Gobi aloo or aloo gobi? I'm like, thank you. Thank you for the illusion of choice. So what we decided, we'll keep a cook. Okay? Best thing to do. Every day, one person will come home and take this decision of what we should eat. Now that motherfucker is coming every day and asking the same question. क्या बनाना है आज खाने में? हमने लौड़े रखा क्यों था फिर तुझे इधर? Take this decision for me. And when he asked this question, okay, we also don't have an answer to give him. So it feels like a long tennis match that we are playing with him. We just reply in questions. He will come and he will serve the ball by asking, क्या बनाना है आज खाने में? So we reply with, क्या बनाने की इच्छा है? So he's like, क्या खाने की इच्छा है? We're like, क्या बन सकता है? He's like, जो मन करे. Like, ठीक है, पकौड़े बना दो, भैया बेसन नहीं आलो. Oh shit. You win, Roger Federer. Game, set, match. That day my cook made raita and he left. Of my izzat. Fun guy, my cook. He has a special talent. Yeah, his special talent is that he makes the wrong amount of food every day. How do you make the same mistake every day? We are 3 people in the house, but he makes food for an entire Zilla Parishad. We tell him, भैया 6 रोटी बनाने. He's like, क्या 600? ठीक है. चूतिया है क्या? And you can't throw away that food, right? You feel very guilty. So we're eating that same food for 7 days. You come to my house any point in time. कि अद्वैत और क्या चल रहा है? It's day 5. मुझे मम्मी चाहिए. I want new food. We realized he was doing this to fuck with us, okay? He didn't want to work. So he made big batch of food and won't work for 5 days. So we told him, motherfucker, this is not working. You have to come. So we get him to make new food every day. We eat and whatever is left, we offer it to the maid. कि दीदी आप ले जाओ, आपको पसंद आता है कि नहीं? ठीक है, cool. So first day she came, she took the food, great. Second day she came back, she saw the food, she took the food, amazing. Third day she came back, she saw the same food, she's like, भैया कुछ और खाना बनवाया करो ना. आप इसको पैसे क्यों दे रहे हो? I'm like, हाँ हमने नया खाना बनवाया वो रहा. अच्छा ठीक है तो आप वो खा लो, मैं ये लेके जा रही हूँ. My maid is also a smart ass. It's too difficult being a bachelor, man. I recently found out that you need to read expiry dates also. I didn't know. Because in an Indian household, nobody reads expiry dates. Nobody does. Because ultimately, mom is going to smell it only. And tell you कि खाना ठीक है कि नहीं. Just one time I went to my mom. I'm like, Mom, is this dahi fine? She's like, 1:30 बजे तक चलेगा ये क्या? My mom is a fan of Dr. Salunke from CID. She does this with everything in the house, by the way. The other day, she came out of her room. She's like, अरे ये क्या? ये तो पुराना हो गया, इसको घर से निकालो. I'm like, Mom, दादाजी को नहीं. Calm down. I get it, he's your father-in-law, but chill. Yeah, dude, it's too complicated, man. The reason I'm telling you, you put an Indian mom in a crime scene, she will smell it and solve it for you. Yeah, she will enter the room like, boom. This man expired 6 hours ago. He was shot by a woman who was standing here. और ये क्या? इन्होंने पंखा साफ नहीं किया 6 महीने से. These bachelors, I tell you. Man. But the reason I feel Indian moms have this superpower in their nose is because these FMCG companies can't write normal expiry dates. It's so complicated, dude. Like best before 6 months for manufacturing, you're also like, fuck, maths करना पड़ेगा. January, February, March कब शुरू हुआ था? कैसे करूँ मैं maths? So you're like, okay, no, I have to solve this. You sit down to write the equation. 6 months before manufacturing. Okay, so from what is manufacturing date? Okay, manufacturing date, C lid. खेलो तुम उसको साथ. Hide and seek. I spice धप्पा किधर है? मुझे मैथ्स का प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करना है. Please come to me. So you're like, no, I have to solve this. So you're like, okay, ठीक है, I will look at the lid. You look at the lid. The lid says C bottom. Okay, I got this. So you turn to the bottom. At the bottom, it's written, ask mom. Arey! Fucking scam.